He is tall.
She has a book.
He does his homework.
She says something.
She goes to school. She gets a gift.
She makes dinner in the kitchen.
She knows the answer. He thinks about a question. He takes a photo. She sees with binoculars.
She comes to say hello. He wants the cupcake. She looks at the painting. She uses her laptop. She finds money in the grass. He gives her flowers. She tells him a secret. She works at the computer. He calls his friend. She tries to move the box. She asks a question. She needs some help. She feels love. He becomes a teacher. She waves as he leaves. He puts the books on the shelf. He means what he says. He keeps the boxes. He lets fresh air in. He begins to run. He seems worried. She needs some help. They talk to each other. He turns the handle. He starts the computer. She shows a picture. She hears a sound. He plays football in the park. He runs fast every morning. He moves a big box into the room. He likes pizza a lot. She lives in a small house. She believes in peace. She holds her baby gently.